The rigid jointed plane frame QRS shown in the figure is subjected to load P at joint R. Let the axial deformation in the frame be neglected. If the support S undergoes a settlement of delta is equal to PL cube by beta EI, the vertical reaction at the support S will become 0 when beta is equal to. So see here, this is the rigid frame. Rigid frame, what is the force that is applied here? Force that is applied here is P. This is R, this is Q, this is S. Now what he is saying, S is undergoing a displacement of, you can see if support S undergoes a settlement of delta is equal to PL cube by beta EI. The vertical reaction at support S will become 0 when beta is equal to. That is the question. So now if you separate these two things, like this is P, and then here there will be a moment like this, like this. So if you take moments like this, so this is MQR, MRQ, MRS, MSR. So MQ, from slope deflection equations directly you can write slope deflection equations. MQR is equal to 2EI by L multiplied with, you can write it as theta Q plus theta R and all those things. That means indirectly it is 2 theta Q plus theta R minus 3 delta by L. Theta Q anyway is equal to 0. So you can write it as 2EI by L multiplied with theta R minus 3 delta by L. So similarly, MRQ is equal to 2EI by L multiplied with 2 theta R minus 3 delta by L. And if you write MRS, that is equal to 2EI by L multiplied with 2 theta R. So this is how you will get MQR, MRQ, MRS. Now if you take, this is length L, if you take moments equal to 0, or in this throughout the system you can take MQR plus MRQ plus minus P into L is equal to 0. That means MQR plus MRQ minus P into L is equal to 0. You can take moments about this point, that is P into L. Here it is MRQ, here it is MQR. So MQR plus MRQ. This is 2EI theta R, this is 2EI, 2 into 2, 4. That means 6EI by L multiplied with theta R minus 236 minus 12 EI delta upon L square minus PL is equal to 0. So this is what you will get, one equation, or you can also write it as 6 EI by L theta R minus 12 EI delta is given as PL cube upon 3 beta EI. So PL cube upon beta EI minus PL is equal to 0. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So 6 EI by L theta R minus 12 PL by beta minus PL is equal to 0. So this is one equation. Now other equation, if you want to write, what is the other equation that you can write? MRQ plus MRS is equal to 0, because here if it is anti-clockwise moment, here it would be clockwise moment, because at a given point here MRQ is equal to minus MRS. So you can write this equation also, MRQ plus MRS is equal to 0. So because this is a rigid joint, as he said, so MRQ is 2EI by L. So 2EI by L theta R plus 2EI by into 2 into 2. So this is 4, 4, 8. So 8EI by L theta R minus 6EI by 6EI delta by L square equal to 0. So from this, if you write 8EI by L theta R minus 6EI upon L square, delta is how much? P. Delta is how much? It is given as PL cube by beta EI. PL cube by beta EI, that is equal to 0. This gets cancelled. So 8EI upon L theta R minus 6 PL upon beta is equal to 0. So these are the two equations. You can see this is one equation, this is another equation. If you solve these two equations, finally you will get the value of beta as, or we will solve these equations also if you want. 8EI by L theta R is equal to 6PL by beta. So if I substitute 6PL by beta is 8EI upon L theta R. So if you substitute this, 12PL by beta, in place of 12PL by beta, substitute this, that is equal to 6EI by L theta R minus 12PL by beta. That means 2 times of this one. So I can write as 12PL by beta is equal to 16EI by L theta R. So that is equal to 16EI by L theta R minus PL equal to 0. From this what you will get? 10EI by L theta R is equal to PL. 10EI by L theta R is equal to PL. So from this theta R is equal to PL square upon 10EI. So substitute that theta R. So 16EI by L multiplied with PL square by 10EI is equal to 12PL by beta. 12PL by beta. So EI gets cancelled, PL gets cancelled, beta is equal to 120 by 16. So 120 by 16 is how much? 4 4s, 4 30s, and 4 7s are 25, 7.5. Beta is 7.5. So very simple equations. Nothing more, nothing less. So simply write down MQR, MRQ, MRS, and then I'm just taking moments about all these things is equal to 0, and moment at this point, summation of moment at this point equal to 0, and finally you got beta is equal to 7.5. So this is how you will do these type of questions. So since vertical reaction at support will become 0 when beta is equal to 7.5. That means here this vertical reaction should be equated to 0. That is the idea. That means the total load is taken by only this rigid frame. Thank you.